Hey guys, and welcome back to new video on this channel. So from today on, Youtubomatic is able to also add a watermark or an image to the corner of the video or even to the center of it. So like this, you will be able to upload videos to YouTube and to make them unique or watermark them or to add a branding to them, to the side, to the top, left, bottom or top, or even to the center. So let me show you this feature in action, because the latest version of the Youtubomatic plugin, the latest update of it, it will have down here in the post to YouTube menu video watermark options. So this will require ffmpeg to be installed on your server. This video description will have a link with info on how to install ffmpeg on your server. So once this is done, you can set the ffmpeg path here, or if it is installed globally and available globally on your server, it will function even without setting this here. So afterwards, if you want to add a watermark or a branding to the video, you can add a image URL in this settings field here. So video watermark image URL. So in this case, I set this Code Revolution logo here and I select the position of the watermark: top right, top left, bottom right, bottom left, or center. So let's set the watermark to the top right now, and I save settings. And now let's go ahead and publish a post to our website. But before this, just to make things more quick, I edit the code here a bit just to enable the, so like this, I will disable the uploading and I will leave the videos only locally here on my testing environment. So I will be able to show you the results much faster like this. This is the only reason why I am doing this. So let us display now the video path, and the video will be logged and the program will return. So it will not upload the videos to YouTube, it will only add the watermark to it. So in your case, the videos will be uploaded and this change is not applied to the plugin in its main version, only for this video. So let us go ahead and copy the URL of this video. So it is a short funny video, and let us publish it on our site. So this video will have the watermark added to the top right as we selected there. Okay, so publishing is working right now, and as we can see, the ffmpeg is already started and it will have the video with the logo we added in no time. So after this processing finishes, we will have here a log file which will contain the path of the video that was edited, and it will have the image file added to it. So this can take around 1 minute in general. So after a period of time, we will have here our log file ready. So until then, we will be able to check the posts, and we should see that the file is ready. So if we check the file and go to the URL of this, so here it is, and the logo is added to the top. So let me lower the volume, and the video, we will see that it has the top right as we selected here. So this will be able to be placed on top left, bottom right, bottom left, and center. So let me show you once again how the video looks with the watermark positioned on the center. So keep in mind, if you use a transparent watermark here, the video will get the transparent watermark on the center if you select here center. So let's save settings, and all we have to do is publish the post once again and copy the URL, paste it here, and publish it once again, and we will be able to see that the plugin is working on this again. So the ffmpeg has once again started, and it is rendering the video, adding the watermark or the branding image to it. And in about a minute we will see the line here that will show us the new video which is created, which will also have the branding in center. So this image which we added here will be added to the center of the video. So our 1 minute time is once again running, and our ffmpeg is adding the branding to the video, which will also be uploaded to YouTube in case we remove this code that we added here for testing purposes only. So we can refresh this file and we see the second video which has the Code Revolution logo added to the center of it. So this is it. We will be able to add any logo here, and any image file will be possible to be added. So let me know what you think about this update. The Youtubomatic plugin is linked in this video's description. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.